Today we are going on the journey to
a different part of KL. This place is called Jalan Tuanku Abdul Rahman.
Jalan TAR. Heavily a lot of really traditional historical food and also all kinds of different cuisines. The first one we're going now is Kudu, Nasi Kandar. Okay, wow, this place is very, very famous.
Yes, it's since 1969. It's almost more than 50 years.
More than 50, 60 years already, nearly. And a lot of people here every day for lunch. Very excited to try out the Nasi Kandar here. Love Nasi Kandar.
All right,
okay.
So without further ado,
let's go check it out.
Let's go.
The two Nasi Kandar with different flavors, right? Mine is with ayam madu, one whole big piece of thigh and some tauge, and it's totally drenched. All the different types of curries.
My one is daging hitam. It's beef. This is fried bitter gourd with spices, cauliflower with turmeric. Of course, drenched with sauce.
Drenched with sauce as well, but mine use a bit even more sauce. Can't wait to dig in. All right, let's just show everyone how the ayam madu is. You can see inside, it looks good, right? Mix all the ingredients in. A bit of tauge as well. The tauge, they give a lot of tauge. Look at this, whole big chunk just go all in, right?
This is not beef as per se. This is liver. Has a mineral taste to it. This is beef liver. Start with top.
The chicken, the taste is there. I can taste the honey and all that. It's just that the chicken meat is a bit tough. So I need a lot of time to chew on the chicken.
The liver is very, if you use a spoon and cut it, it's like very hard, but once it bites into it, it's very silky.
But you can add some extra crispiness to it. Add papadam in there. Spread it onto the rice. Eat it with it. Give it an extra crunchiness. Yum. Makes the whole dish even better. The curry combination is actually good, right? So it's actually very appetizing to eat. It's just that I think the chicken's a bit tougher in the terms of the meat. Wish it could be a bit more softer meat, but the curries are really good, really, really aromatic.
This is the fried bitter gourd. Slightly crunchy, a bit bitter. Bitter gourd, right? That's good.
And may I mention that it's the curry combination, right? It's not too spicy, so I can actually take it. It's not very spicy. Some Nasi Kandar that I've eaten is very, very spicy, but this one is just like a mild scale of spiciness. So it's good for people who cannot stand that much heat. Oh, I think for an establishment like this, right, with a rich history and a lot of people come here, I was expecting like God level kind of tastiness, but it's good. It's just that not like wow, the best I've ever eaten. So I think I will give it like 3.5 out of 5. The chicken is a bit tough, could be better. The rice and the curry mix is very, very good, and also the other condiments and the stuff is good. Okay, just that it's the chicken that gives it down a little bit. All right, how about you?
The curry itself, the combination is really, really good with the rice. Okay, but when it comes to this, I'm not a fan of it. But don't get me wrong, it doesn't have a gamey taste, it just have a very earthy taste.
Alright. So I love places with history and very old school as well. You see the restaurant, they even have Chinese words out there. I think they took this shop in. Very, very interesting. Okay, right by the main road. Alright, so there's more to explore coming up. Okay, so check it out. Next one, alright? Let's go. Telecoms Department, Malaya.
Whoa, this is so old, man.
Huh?
This is so old. This place is now called Jalan Tuanku Abdul Rahman, right? That's another fact. But before this place was named Jalan Tuanku Abdul Rahman, it's called Batu Road. Because this is the first road in Malaya that is actually paved and built with stones. So it's actually called Batu Road in the British time.
Another line.
Yes, always. If there's a line, means it's good.
Alright. Looks like every place we go to in Jalan TAR
has a line.
So it has to mean something, right?
Yep, it has means something.
So this is very Minang Kapau food, very traditional.
It's more like Indonesian food to the it's like Indonesian food to the normal people, but then again it's got to be a difference.
Very happening.
Yeah.
They call it Minang. Okay,
Minang.
Masakan Minang.
Minang Kapau.
So, wow, a bit different from the Nasi Kandar.
Of course, definitely.
I think even the colors of the curry is slightly different as well. I can see there's a lot of chilies. And then what have you ordered?
This is dendeng.
Dendeng, I think it's like fried beef, is it?
Fried beef, yes.
It looks very crispy. It's like a
This is bergedil.
Bergedil is what?
Bergedil is more like a mashed potato with spices, a bit of vegetables, and then they fried it.
Wow, looks interesting. Like a
this
Malay
is
style
actually
croquette.
Yeah, this you will find croquette. Yeah, actually you find it in Indonesia, but this one actually originates from the Netherlands.
And then this one, what's this?
Okay, this one is fish egg.
Fish egg.
This is a wild card.
This one is the tempeh.
Tempeh. Now, let's try the rice with the curry. Let's see how spicy is this.
I hope it's not that spicy.
The curry is lemak.
A lot of pandan. Very coconutty flavor, milky flavor.
So the
Very different from the Nasi Kandar.
mm,
Beef jerky, like a snack.
a bit hard.
That's good. Oh, it's like a crispy crisp, but beef. Hey, very nice, not bad.
Next, telur ikan.
It's very interesting so far. Everything is very coconutty, very santan based.
It's telur ikan, fish eggs. Oh, this is caviar.
Caviar, wait, right.
It doesn't have much of a taste to it because it's drenched in the curry.
But yes, the curry lah. Okay, we'll try the bergedil, which is the potatoes. Okay, put a bit of rice and see. Oh, not bad. Very croquette, Japanese croquette style.
Is that eating mashed potatoes?
Yeah, it's like eating mashed potatoes. It's a very light meal, I would say. Very different from the curries, from the Malay and Indian curries. They are ones a bit more light, I could say. It has its own distinct taste, so it's not too bad, right? First time I tried this is
This is superfood.
the super. No,
I always like this.
the soya sweet sauce, okay, that we used to put mixed with the rice. So I think this is how they mix the rice a bit with the soya sauce and with the curry. Gives it a bit more sweet taste to it. I like it.
Now I'm going to talk more about this local caviar, telur ikan. When I ate it the first time, I didn't notice it, but now that I ate it, they actually have a different texture. I think they put in coconut shreds into this. I did it like something burst in your mouth. I think that's why they have coconut shreds in it. There's a different texture altogether. So very good. It's a bit spicy. There's no fishy taste to it. This was really good.
Okay. How much you give it overall?
I think this was 4.
It's a 4. Okay. I give it a 4 as well. Very light curry that I like. Okay, not too spicy. All the ingredients all mold into it. It's really good. Quite nice. Alright.
Right.
Right, this is our next stop.
Yep.
Oh, I'm sure a lot of people know about this place. This is the legendary birthplace of Chilli Ban Min, King restaurant
I didn't know
in Jalan TAR, just off Jalan TAR. Lots of people come here just to eat the legendary Ban Min.
Okay.
So you have to try this.
All right.
Yeah? So
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. It's the legendary Chilli Ban Min, alright? So this is from the original place, alright? This is the one. You have to eat this one and see the original taste, okay? You have the ban min, the minced meat, ikan bilis, lots of it, poached egg. The main ingredient is this one, the chili, okay? This is the chili flakes. Oh, it's very hot chili flakes, okay? I'm not a very good chili eater, so I'm gonna put a bit first. Okay, maybe just a small little scoop. Okay, so I put a bit in there. Okay, and then we give the whole thing a mix. This is how you eat chili ban min. You have to mix everything together. The eggs, the minced meat, mix the whole thing. Every strand of ban min, you see, is soaked with the juice and the chili oil and stuff. So people come back to eat this all the time. There's a lot of chili ban min out there, but a lot of people come back to this original place to eat it because it's supposed to be this legendary taste that you can't get anywhere. So let's try. Depends on your spicy level. You can put as much chili flakes in as well as you like. So let's try.
It's fragrant.
Just the right blend of flavors, right?
A bit sticky.
Yes, of course. It's the bun.
egg.
And the egg actually makes it smooth and silky. The tenderness of the bun in, wow, heavenly. Wow, I can actually already feel quite spicy already. Even from a little scoop of chili, the flavors is just right for Tintin's bun. That's why a lot of people think that this is still the best.
You eat it with fried anchovies.
The more you eat, the more flavorful it gets. And the minced meat itself is just perfect. I actually eat a lot of chili banh mi, but I always come back to this one because they have the correct blend. It's just right. Some are too salty, some are a bit too flavorsome. This one is just right. The correct
If you like
flavor.
it spicier,
Add
put
more
more.
chili in there, right? So come here,
Try it.
in KL, have to come and try this one. Alright,
I give
especially
this-
tourists, they love this one.
I'll give this 4 out of 5.
A 4 out of 5 for me as well. Really, really good. This place is very interesting.
Interesting indeed it is.
It's more of a hip place, a lot of cafes, nice little restaurants.
I think they refurbished this old pre-war buildings. Now it become a cafe.
Yeah. So this place is called Heritage Pizza. Right? You can see there's a lot of people for dinner now. I think it's a very popular place
Yes.
for pizza. I think you recommended this place.
Because I've been here before once.
Yeah.
And the pizza here is fantastic.
There's a huge wood fire oven right there.
Yep.
And I think they serve, wow, look at the fire inside. It's just
Burning slowly.
looks really good. I've seen some of the pizzas coming out of the oven. It's really good. And what do you have here? I think you got some.
Well, the last time I'm here, I did not try this. It's an imported Italian beer. Let's see how good it is.
It's Nusa Anima Saga, 1912, okay, Italian beer. But let's see what we have.
Very smooth.
Smooth Italian beer. So a lot of authentic Italian stuff here.
That's
Yeah.
better than the local variety.
Yep. Finally, the first one has arrived. 10-inch, right? 10-inch hungry pizza, mushroom-based pizza.
Mushrooms,
Cheese,
tomato base.
you see the oven, right? They use the wood charcoal in the wood fire oven.
That's how they shoot.
Yes, Chinese should be really, really smoky. Right?
Let's try it.
Let's
Let's
try
do
it.
it
Let's
smoky.
try it. I've eaten a few pizzas. You see our episodes before. We've eaten a lot of pizzas. Some are good, some are bad. But I'm sure this one should be one of the better ones.
Yes.
Right? Look at this. Wow, good piece. Was it the cheese? Oh,
Cheese, look at that. Let's try.
wow.
Whoa.
Look at the cheese.
Wow, it smells absolutely good.
The cheese is good quality cheese. Absolutely smoky. The mushrooms are marinated well.
The crust is so smoky.
Actually, the crust is thin. Very smoky, a lot of char. They give you a lot of quality cheese. So it's really, really flavorful. Wow. The sides are really, really good smoky and the bread is not hard.
Yeah, it's not chewy. It's slightly chewy.
This alone, I give it a 4.5.
4 or 5. 4 or 5 or 5.
Really, really flavorful. The amount of mushrooms that they give you is a lot, man. Wow, so juicy. Whoa.
It's very earthy. A good combination. You can't get any better pizza. taking care of
Alright,
this.
alright. I agree. These are all the pizzas that we've eaten.
Smoked provola cheese. Yeah, Otto ham.
It's a ham, and then we have mushrooms with lots of cheese again. And then, whoa, the crust again is so good.
Yes.
Let's try.
This is the of all the pizza place joints I've been, this is the best so far.
Oh.
The ham is so smoky. You bite to it.
Very thinly sliced ham, like smoky. This type of ham is not those ham that we eat in the supermarket.
No. I think the ham is actually smoked.
Smoked ham. I think I can taste the difference. Everything just blends so well. All the ingredients. The thin crust is actually very crispy. Just the right amount of thickness. And then when I eat it, right, it doesn't feel very like it's too much, right? It just feels right. I give the whole thing a 4.5 out of 5. It's one of my favorite pizza places. One of the best pizzas that I've eaten. You agree?
I will give it a 5, if not for the price point.
The price point is above average, I guess it's
When it comes to ingredients, comes to what we get to eat, the way to make it,
yeah, I think it's worth it.
it's pretty much worth it.
Worth it. I guess you got to make a reservation here because there's a lot of people here, so you don't get disappointed. You should make a reservation.
Yeah,
I
make
think
it early.
It's worth it. Okay,
Yeah. The food actually comes pretty fast.
This is
heavenly.
let's continue, right? Let's continue eating.
My boss wanted to be straight to the point. He wanted it to be accessible to everyone. So he picked a name where everyone would be comfortable with because he's Italian. And for him to not pick an Italian name was a very difficult decision. But he wanted it to be accessible to everyone. He wanted this place to be comfortable, no frills, no fuss, just straight to the point. Come, have pizza, have a good time, go home. And in terms of heritage, the name heritage, everything here is from Italy. All the ingredients except the water and the fresh vegetables, it's all Italian. Wait for the next 5 years. The next 5 years is gonna be a wilder ride.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much.
So
right.
it's the end of our video today.
That's right.
It's already night time. We have sampled a lot of really great food today, right?
Right. Rice.
Yeah, rice, noodles, yeah,
and funny pizza.
Yeah, really great pizzas.
Yeah.
And we haven't skimmed the surface of the place, of the whole Chow Jalan TAR area. Just so many things to try out.
That's right.
Not enough time.
Yes, we have to come back
We
again.
have to come back.
One
and
fine
then,
day.
Hopefully you guys can recommend some food as well.
Yeah.
If you know some of the good food here. Do watch our videos, of course. Yeah.
Yes.
We have a lot of videos that we have done and a lot of interesting food. Haven't seen it? Do go and check it out.
Yeah,
our
do a
videos.
like, subscribe.
And subscribe as usual.
Uh-huh.
But I hope you guys enjoy our video. That's the most important thing.
Yes, enjoy our video
Yes.
and let us know what else do you want us to feature and
Okay.
what did we miss?
Yes, and
So let us know.
Yeah, I want to do even better videos for you guys in the future, right?
Yeah.
So until then, okay,
Until
I'll see you
then.
guys next one, right?
See you next one.